Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know the drill. Hit that red button down below and join the family. I post new videos twice a week. If you don't know who I am, my name is Raegan and I live and go to college in New York City. And today's video, we're going to be filming a weekend in my life. And I'm actually going home. I'm going home to South Carolina for the weekend because it is prom at my old high school. It's my little sister's junior prom. And I'm also going to be doing some makeup for some girls on Friday who are going to prom. I think like 4 or 5 girls makeup. So I'm really excited about that. It is currently the nighttime / morning time. I haven't been to bed yet. So it's the night of Wednesday, morning of Thursday. It's about 2:30 a.m. I have to leave around 3 to go to the airport to get my flight that leaves at 5. It's just been a hot mess, guys. Like, I had this really good flight that I was going to get on at like, I think 6:45, and then I was gonna get to Charleston in South Carolina at like 9 o'clock. It was gonna be perfect. Yeah, well, yesterday I got an email saying my flight was canceled, and I was like, OMG. So I booked this last minute flight like legit a few hours ago because it's still Wednesday night. Like, I booked it, and so it's taking me from New York to Charlotte. I have an hour layover in Charlotte, and then I go from Charlotte to Charleston. So I'm gonna be traveling from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock with no sleep whatsoever because I haven't been to bed. Yay, let's get this vlog started. So I put on my glasses because since I haven't gotten any sleep and taken my contacts out, my eyes were hurting. So I'm gonna wear my glasses to the airport even though these are not the right prescription and I can't really see out of them. We're gonna see if I can do this because I'm probably gonna sleep on the plane, and I think I'll thank myself if I wear my glasses instead of my contacts. I'll let you know if this is a good idea or not. So I'm gonna show y'all my airport OTD. Before I leave, I am wearing this Polaroid crop top shirt that I've tied up in a knot that I got from Target. This patchwork denim jacket I also got from Target. Oh, gosh, Target, sponsor me. And then I'm wearing black Lululemon leggings and my white Adidas tennis shoes. And my glasses that I think are Michael Kors. Nash, what are you doing? Give me the bone. Hey y'all, so I finally made it home. It is 10:51, so it has been a long journey to get here because left my apartment at 3 and I got here about 10:45. So flights went good, everything went good. I am glad to be home, but I have a lot to do today. So I'm about to go run some errands now. I have some last minute makeup things to pick up, and then I think I'm gonna go and check out prom because like my mom and my sister have been working on prom all week, so I think I'm gonna stop by and see that. I don't know if you know, but at my school, like, we do a really big all-out prom. Like, all week it's closed off and only the juniors and the parents of the juniors can get in. And we like have like construction workers and like just so much going on. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like because the seniors aren't gonna see this and no one's gonna see this until after everyone sees prom. So it's okay if I film some. Thank you. Can I get a chicken quesadilla with extra chicken? Give me some Taco Bell. So I'm about to walk in Belk and get some makeup. Shouldn't take me long. I'll be right back. Lashes, can you come on? Get the car. Come on. Come on. knew I was gonna come in here. Okay guys, so I just did a round of practice makeup for prom tomorrow. And this is definitely not like A1 because I was rushing and I was just kind of playing around. But I do really like it. I'm also not fake tanned, and so I look pale. Hopefully the girls tomorrow will be very fake tanned and look very bronze and glowy. But yeah, I am about to get ready to go to my little sister's softball game. So I am gonna be looking like this. I'm like not gonna look cute at all, but my makeup's gonna be like completely done, which is gonna be weird, but like whatever, you know. But I'm about to get dressed for that, and then we'll go downstairs, get some food, and I'll check in later.
I got hit right in the forehead. Right before prom.
Yeah. Do you want to cry?
I already did.
To work on stuff for prom. Hey y'all, I'm home from Kendall's game. And I don't know, it's just been like a hectic night. My mom's like running around like yelling at me to do things because she's stressed out because it's the last night for them to finish prom. So I'm currently at my house kind of running the spray tans right now because we had a woman come do spray tans for a bunch of girls. My mom's not here, so like I'm here keeping everyone entertained. Also trying to upload a video, and also people are in the house right now and I'm vlogging, so just me sitting here talking to a camera in my own house. Why I feel awkward? No, it's fine. I'm just like sitting here talking to myself in this camera. Awkward.
Hey, welcome to our vlog channel. This is Sydney Ann, my friend, and I'm not actually this dark normally, but I just got a spray tan.
Are you gonna introduce me?
Oh, that's Lizard.
I was in the previous vlog.
No, y'all might remember her.
Previous, it was.
And I got smackarooed right in the forehead today.
Right before prom.
Right before prom. I just got hit right in the face.
You got hit in the face? Did you hit him? Did you swing back?
I didn't swing back. It was Kinsley. I couldn't swing back. Look, this is what we're eating.
Down on me and I wouldn't be ready.
Chicken tenders, fries. But she's eating spaghetti.
Oh, yeah.
And
Look, Mom.
I just had a major double chin. Raegan's gonna be doing girls' prom makeup tomorrow, and it's gonna look really good. So stay tuned to watch. Oh, we got some tea. Cut it off. Cut it off. We got tea. Cut it off.
Oh my God, sorry, can't be involved.
Okay. Oh.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Nashes? It does him.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Let me see you, girls. Ooh, let me see you, Kendall. Ooh, work it, girl.
I knew you were doing that. I thought you were going to take a picture.
There goes a
Raegan looks like such a mom, but she's a boy. Ooh, killer.
now there goes a sight from my soul.
What's up, Mom?
After prom. I need to relax.
Detox.
Look at me. This is like a hot mess.
That's my baby girl.
Mama, I'm your baby girl. That's a baby girl right there.
This is my baby grand. My
Girl.
baby grand.
Mama don't have that mask on right, Raegan.
I know. I was supposed to help me.
Hey y'all, so it's totally been a while since I last talked to y'all. Yesterday was really crazy. I just had a lot of makeup to do and hair to do, and like as soon as I got done with that, I had to go take pictures. Nash is at the door and he's really mad at me because I won't play with him. Look at him. It's now Saturday morning and I'm cooking some bacon and making some coffee. Don't really have any plans today, but I'm definitely gonna relax after yesterday because that was pretty crazy. But I did get like some clips, and like Raina got some clips. She like followed me around with her phone, so I know like the quality's not great, but I think it'll still be better than like nothing. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't have much planned today, but it's about 10:30 now and I'm making some breakfast, and then we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. I'm gonna scroll through and show y'all some photos that I took yesterday of Kendall at her prom with her little friends. Look at her, she's so beautiful. And then I also took pics of Maggie Beth and Blaine. So me and Kendall are about to watch Aquaman in the theater, and I'm really excited because I absolutely love action movies, and this one's gonna be good. Kendall, you ready to watch Aquaman?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not at all.
That was freaking crazy.
I got scared.
Hey y'all, so I'm in bed. I know I've not been doing a good job at vlogging. I've just seriously been like all over the place. But I go home tomorrow, and so I'm like kind of sad just because I just feel, I always feel so relaxed when I'm here. I know when I like get back to New York I have so much work to do, so I'm not really looking forward to that, but it'll be okay. I will see y'all in the morning, so good night. Good morning y'all. It is Sunday morning. I am up, dressed, and all packed, about to go to the airport. Me and Kendall are leaving a little early because I think we're going to run by and do a little bit of shopping before I get dropped off. So I'm not complaining. But I put on a little bit of makeup and just like a black crop top, leggings, and then my denim jacket that I got from Target. Just like a comfy outfit because it's really warm here, but it's also like decently warm in New York. So like I can get away with wearing a denim jacket. But yeah, I'm about to leave and I'll just see y'all later. And I probably won't talk to y'all until I get back to my apartment, but yeah, I'll see you then. Bye. I made it home. Hallelujah. It is now 6:30. I was stuck in traffic for 2 hours. And when we actually got to like the wreck that was holding us up, it was like a mediocre wreck at best. I mean, I hope that no one was hurt, but it was seriously like someone tapped the back of someone. People were just like going really slow, and there were so many cars on the road that like if you went slow it got backed up for miles. It was absolutely horrible. We actually didn't move for like 15 minutes one time. But I just took all my makeup off because I was like really greasy from the plane. I think now I'm about to go to Trader Joe's and get some groceries and then come back and just kind of relax. I have a lot of studying to do. I also recently like applied for a new credit card and it came in today. Don't worry, you can't see any numbers on the front, but like look how official it looks. I'm like an adult. Applied for my own credit card and got approved, so look at me adulting and being a grown-up. I'm proud of myself. And I'll talk to you later. So I just got some groceries from Trader Joe's. But while I was walking, I saw these books laying on the side of the road. And look what I found. I found Moby Dick, the classic, and also the Scarlet Letter. And I actually have been wanting to start reading some classics because y'all know I love to read, but I read like romance and like young adult fiction, and that's just not, it's amazing, but it's not like, you're not really learning anything from it. I mean, you kind of are, but you know, the classics are the classics for a reason. And so when I saw these on the road, someone was just like giving them away, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it. The cover was ripped off this one, but I just taped it back. So it's good to go. I'm really excited actually because these are like some of the best classics. And like I was supposed to read these in high school for like parallel books or like summer reading, and I never did. And like now I'm finally at that age where I'm like ready to read them. Dinner is served. Hey y'all, I just fake tanned and got in bed, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and go to sleep because I have a busy week, but I am starting a week in my life tomorrow. Sorry I wasn't great at vlogging this weekend. I honestly expected it to be a lot more relaxing than it was, but it was actually like pretty busy and I was constantly doing stuff, but I tried to get clips where I could, and like I really did want to document it and like document me doing all these people's makeup and stuff for prom because that was like really so fun. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe down below and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.